Hello, dear student. How are you? I think you all are fine. I am also fine. I am Abdul Adud, assistant teacher, Bangabari Y School and College, Gobastapur, Chaparauganj. Today, I will discuss a very familiar topic with you, especially for the student of class 9 and 10. Before beginning the class, I would like to draw two lines on the board. Dear student, look at these two lines, line A and line B. Line A is short and line B is long. So how can we compare these two lines? Look at the board. Line A is shorter than B, or line B is longer than A. So it is the comparison of these two lines. So my dear student, can you say which topics I am going to discuss with you? I think obviously you can. This topic is nothing but degree. So today I am going to discuss with you about degree. What is degree? Degree is a comparison of adjective. Degree is a comparison of adjective. How many kinds of degree are there? There are three kinds of degree. What are they? They are: number one, positive degree; number two, comparative degree; number three, superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Every adjective has three stages. That means positive, comparative, and superlative. Let's go see some comparison of adjective. Here positive, comparative, and superlative. An example of adjective is good. Comparative form is better. Superlative form is best. Short. Comparative form shorter. Superlative form shortest. Long. Comparative form longer. Superlative form longest. Wise. Comparative form wiser. Superlative form wisest. Old. Older. Oldest. Like this, there are many adjectives like this. So we will discuss a very simple method of degree. How can we make the degree easy? Now you will see a table to easily understand the degree. Table for degree. Here I have written positive, comparative, superlative. So if there is no other to comparative degree, there will be than, any, or all other, and superlative degree there will be the plus superlative. If there is very few in positive, in case of comparative there will be than, most, or than many other, and in case of superlative degree there will be all of the plus superlative. So if there is no other, in case of comparative and superlative, we will not think about than, most other, or many other, one of the, just think than, any other, or all other, the plus superlative. And note, after no other and any other, noun will be singular, and after very few and then most or many other, verb or noun will be plural. So my dear student, now we are going to discuss degree, how to change the degree from superlative to positive. In case of the plus superlative, if there is the plus superlative, then there will be no other plus later part of superlative degree plus verb plus as or so plus positive degree of superlative degree plus as plus subject. Example, he is the best boy in the class. He is the best boy in the class. Positive degree. As there is the plus superlative, so positive will start with no other. No other. The later part of superlative degree. Boy in the class. Verb is as good as he. But in case of one of the plus superlative, there will be very few plus later part of superlative degree plus verb plus as so plus positive degree of superlative degree plus as plus subject. For example, he is one of the wisest man in the village. Positive degree will be very few men in the village are as wise as he. So there is one of the plus superlative. So in case of positive, there will be very few men in the village are as wise as he. Now we will see the transformation of superlative degree into comparative degree. Superlative degree into comparative degree. In case of the superlative degree, subject plus verb plus comparative degree or superlative degree plus then plus later part of superlative degree. For example, he is the tallest boy in the class. The plus superlative. So in case of comparative degree, there will be he is taller than any other boy in the class. But in case of one of the plus superlative, there will be subject plus verb plus comparative degree of superlative degree plus then most other or many other plus later part of superlative degree. For example, Dhaka is one of the oldest cities. So in case of comparative degree, there will be Dhaka is older than most other cities. So I think, my dear student, if you follow this chart and the table that I have given at the beginning of the class, I think you will better understand the degree. Just follow this chart and try to change the degree in your home. And this is no more today. Stay home and stay safe. Best of luck. Thank you all of you.